Hey guys, I got a Franklin Sensors professional stud finder. Accurate, 13 sensors, easy, one-step operation. The center and edge finder. Has an enhanced LED display, finds wood and metal, has deep scan, which is always on, and new live wire meter. Okay, this is a new one for me. It'll go up to 1.7 inches. I don't know what 13 sensor accuracy means, I'll find out. 21 precision LEDs. Here it is. The ProSensor M210 has 13 sensors. In comparison, conventional stud finders have 1 or 2. With 13 sensors, it's more accurate, so it's got a bunch of little internal sensors looking. Number of sensors, 13. Wood and metal, live wire, full stud width tracking, detect centers and edges simultaneously, enhanced precision LED, true one-step operation, deep scan always on, convenient pencil caddy, built-in bubble level. That's nice. It does not include the batteries, but it also says do not use rechargeable batteries. And made in the USA. Change the battery, just slide this to the right and then lift. This little clamp goes down in that hole. Slide it back. Okay. It does say make sure this device is cooled off or warmed up to the ambient temperature. So if it's 40 degrees outside Fahrenheit, you don't want to bring this out from an internal temperature of 75 and immediately use it at 40. You want it to sort of acclimate to the same temperature. Of course, safety first. Turn off all gas, water, and electric before using. I mentioned about make sure the device is at ambient temperature, because the temperature can be impact the performance of the device. To operate, simply hold the stud finder by the handle. Do not touch the detector outside of the handle area. So you're going to do it like this. Put your fingers on that 3 grooves here and the on button, press down. You may immediately, with the button depressed, you may immediately begin scanning. No calibrations required. If you're looking for vertical studs, wires, whatever, you slide this horizontal. If you're looking for horizontal wires, for instance, you slide the device vertically. There's an always-on electric reader here, and if there's no signal, no LEDs, medium, moderate would probably be 3, and maximum single would light that thing up. And there's your little pencil right here. I've got a little layout. I got a live cord, a couple pieces of wood, a piece of pipe, and these are just pieces of 1x2. And I'm going to put plaster on top of it. And we're going to try to find those. And I'm going to draw them, but I just want to give you a picture of them. Okay, I'm going to scan and just kind of sketch out where I think I find things. So, turn this on. So you can see it's finding something about that thick. So we'll put a little line here. Come down a little bit. See, it's still about here. And it kind of stops. Something over here, but I get a little electric signal here. So I'm going to put a little exclamation. So I guess that's where I saw this. I'm going to tip this over now. Doesn't really matter up or down, because I notice if you go off the edge of the drywall, it gives a weird reading. Obviously you don't have that in your wall, your house, or ceiling. So I'm going to try to keep this on the drywall all the time. So we'll come down here. I can still see that thing here to here. Looks like it's going all the way down. So I think I found something here. Okay. And let's go across. Oh, seems like there's something else here. And you see those little LED light, those LEDs light up. This may not be able to see it, but that's giving me a warning. Of course, you see my electric cord down there. So it's sensing that it found something, some number of width, but it lit up the LEDs. Go up a little higher now, come across, there's the old reading. We see another reading here. And we have LEDs lit up here. So between here and here are exclamations. Try it this way. Start back up here now. Oh, got something weird. So that's really wide. It thinks there's something this wide. I don't know what that means, but let's try it like this now. Okay. We got some LED hits. Let's take a peek at what's underneath here. Oh, okay, so that was the metal. It looks like the metal ran into electrical. We got this board here and the electric wire. So, see these marks? We got something in here. We got a warning in here. And we've got that. But we can kind of see this electric wire is coming up and doing this thing. See if we can sense that. So you get an electric hit. I'm going to go in this direction. Showing something here. Big electric hit right here. Also got a little bit some staples in that wood. Yeah, you've got something here and something here. Something here, something here, and something electrical here. But the LED's lit again. Still lit. And this thing back here again. So I've got something here, something probably in this direction. Exclamation electrical. And that's kind of, it's given a wide spectrum of where that wire is when it finds it. Let's see if we can find the end of this board and the electrical also. So we were doing this. There's that board again. So now we're getting a little electrical readout here. So it thinks there's something here. The board's gone. So we're getting, see these lights up here? Something going in this direction. Let's go by that this way. Oh, there's an electric hit. It's coming back down here, so we've got an exclamation here and here. Nothing over here. So that's kind of like what we have. I didn't pick up the plug itself. And the other thing I'll notice is this wire is lower, of course. It's going to be inside the wall behind the 2x4, so I guess that doesn't matter. So I did a pretty good job. Every once in a while there's a false reading, you got to keep going, but if you come off the board, you know, it just all lights up, because it lights up and then it goes away. So you just gotta see where you're marking it. Electrical right here, just because that's where the oven is.